Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. Missed you, I thank God for you. There are some guys you are going to interact with here, so I see them and you will be able to have a cup of tea.
The Ephesian church that was tested. Now,
good morning, church. Good morning. Good morning, our visitor.
Good morning.
Your accompaniments for coming to Hotel. The people you see here, and that to build this church is a new church. We are happy. You can see we are yet to do this.
Thank you, project team. Naweza kukaa say something that sema tu tupatie watu wa mwisho.
Wakati majina ni Joseph Kimani.
Benson Kilonzo, chairman of our government church.
Hello.
Thank you.